Has some winter weather on the way as we head toward this weekend. Winter storm watch is currently in effect across the western mountains, as well as from Casper down toward the Jeffrey City area. Now, the ones west of the Divide, those go into effect on Saturday morning, go through Sunday evening. I know there's some light snow out there right now, but the heaviest should probably hold up until Saturday afternoon, especially into Saturday night. Now, east of the Divide will be okay through Sunday morning, but then coming in late Sunday morning, especially Sunday night, I think will be the worst conditions there before it tapers off as we head through the day on Monday. Also some high winds coming up. Strongest winds probably Saturday night and the first part of Sunday ahead of the front. Cody foothills, usual suspects there, especially around the Clark area. Also Casper, outer drive down toward the Jeffrey City area. And maybe even getting into the Lander. A little more uncertainty in that area, but could see some strong winds coming down the mountains in places like Sinks Canyon as well as the town of Lander itself. Again, that'll be for Saturday night. And at snowfall totals, highest amounts east of the Divide around the Casper area, about 5 to 8 inches. Real dry powdery snow too, so it's going to blow around. We see some blowing and drifting. Lesser amounts toward the central area there, 1 to 4 inches, Riverton, Lander, up toward the Cody area. But the jackpot, as expected, going to be across the western mountains, locally over 2 feet across portions of the Tetons. 6 to 12 inches very likely across the Jackson Valley. A little bit less down toward Afton by about 4 to 8 inches there. And Yellowstone picking up over a foot as well. So expected impacts again. Worst conditions across the west, probably looking Saturday night around, say, Jackson, Teton Pass. As we head east of the Divide, again, snow not starting until Sunday morning, but the worst conditions probably Sunday afternoon into Sunday night, especially as you head further south. You're traveling I-80. Should be okay through Saturday morning, but the afternoon, especially in the nighttime hours, could get kind of dicey there with some snow moving in, as well as some gusty winds bringing that blowing and drifting snow. One more thing we got to talk about, though. Low temperatures, this will be for Saturday morning and Sunday morning. Those don't look too bad. Those look fairly seasonal. However, as we head toward the Tuesday morning time frame, again, I fell down there. Temperatures are going to fall really low too. Now look across the Bighorn Basin around Worland, minus 20 there, minus 15, pretty common across the Wind River Basin around the Cody area. Many places going below zero. Now the good news with this is that it's we're in the late February, so the nights aren't quite as long, so it's not going to get quite as cold. It could easily be 30 below if this had occurred back in the January time frame. And you can see our resources there for weather as well as road conditions and our popular webcams by route. We just added a few more, so check that out. Be safe, everyone, and have a good weekend.